safety right in. Nice. Whew. Ears ringing. Oh yeah, my ears ringing too. Nice shot.
Yeah, good shot, buddy.
Whew.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Really? Sweet.
I zoomed right in on it too. Whew. Dusted him.
Good job, bud.
Well, tell him what happened.
It's been kind of a long wait, huh? Gobbling all around. Seems like there's been birds 360 degrees all the way around us. But finally, I don't know if these were the birds that were gobbling all this morning.
There was a bird just gobbled like a couple minutes ago when they were. I could see the birds and a bird gobbled up the hill.
Yeah.
So, but finally, took a while to get him to come in, but Ben spotted him down back.
There's still birds gobbling. He just gobbled again.
Yep. How was that?
Sweet. Sweet.
Second bird.
Second youth season.
Second
right?
youth season.
Nice. Out of the double bull.
Let's go get him.
Nice. A little Jake beard. Two and a half, 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, hammered him. Wonder if these were the birds that they saw. Yeah? He's still here. Another one right there. Alright, it's Sunday morning. It's about 20 to 8. We got in here this morning and popped up the double bull blind in the dark and started having birds gobble right off pretty soon. It was actually still pretty dark out, wasn't it? But there's been birds gobbling. There's one now, still gobbling up in there. They've been gobbling pretty much all the way around us for the last 2.5 hours. And it was kind of quiet there for a little while. Ben looks down the field. He says, "Oh, I see two birds." It was this one and the one that was with it. So they worked their way up, and it was about 30 yards. 30 yards. Made a good shot on it. So that's 2 youth days and a youth weekends in a row for Mr. Harvey here.